this one? Get the water and snacks and stuff, or we good?
We're good.
Okay.
No, you're good.
Well, Lance, I already know you got your plan here.
Yep, so waiting for them to go.
Hey, Ryan, are we good? You good?
I don't know. Are they sweating?
Well, your one piece there's about to hang up on your line.
Jittery before I let him go.
Yeah.
All right, get it.
Burn boss, we have a Spotfire
Oh no, it's Spotfire.
requesting 2 water and 2 rakes for a flopper.
Copy. You got 4 people, 2 bladders, 2
Here's
rakes.
what we're gonna do. I want 1 water and one rake behind them. We're gonna work this side here. We're not gonna worry about this right in here because we'll catch it on this side. It's gonna burn. We're gonna, the other 2 I want over on this side, and we're gonna try to cut it off. Let's go ahead and do that. Let's start here and come behind him. There we go. And then rake it in.
Over here?
Yeah, we'll start right here. I tell you what, let's get up higher. Let's come over here with the rake. Let's try to clear a path here and so let it burn into it. Way over here. Right on the edge. There we go. There we go. Let's get the German back. How we doing over here? How we doing? Good.
Yep, a little warm.
All right, watch out behind you there. Where's my water? There we go, right here. Start right here, sweep that water. And come in here this way.
There you go, there you go. Chuck it low inside. Pull it in, pull it in. Get smoke, Rich. Right here, grab that, there you go. How you doing, Lance? Need additional folks? You good?
I'm not sure. That's a good point. I can't see it. I'm worried about that pile there.
Well, get your folks engaged and
Where's our water at? Right here in this, right here. Let's put it right here. There we go. We're boss, we have payment.
Good for me.
All right, we're contained.
copy, fire contained.
Not sure. It seems like he's working on good.
Uh,
How's this go for people? Lance, do a start?
I thought we started out well. I'm not sure. This side we identified well, and it went really good. And one gentleman that saw those logs and made a decision. He was proactive, not reactive. That's got to move. Boom, he moved it. I thought that was good. This side here, I don't think I did as well. It was a little too hot. I couldn't figure out because of this back one. We probably should have let that get done first and then come after it this way. And we went around this way. I think that was a mistake. The other thing I saw, again, my fault, was that I asked for them to push the leaves, and they pushed them away, which is fine, but we made a pretty high pile. So what would happen is if we had a spark over, it'd been hard to do, but we got it afterwards. I thought the water worked well. That's my thoughts.
Anyone else on it wants to talk about your experience?
Yeah, we went over on that side. We were basically right around the head of the fire. I suppose that probably wasn't the best. We were getting smoked out. I just need to be more aggressive with this, more pushing with it than kind of like not weed eating, you know,
Yeah.
but like fast.
Yeah. And so did people see me kind of showing that technique as we move to keep on pushing? Now, once we knock the heat down with the water, we got a tool coming up behind to scrape that out. That's when we talked about that double. And so make sure you're thinking about that. But I don't think what you did was wrong. I'll just put it there. And Lance, I don't think you were wrong on your pattern of attack. But I'd entertain other thoughts from people at the moment.
I noticed one thing, and you're right, Lance, because I saw that fire pushing up, right? When that flame is coming towards you, are you at the heel or the head? Most likely. Right. So you're absolutely right. I think, you know, you could have also, it's funny because this is like what, 10%, 15% slope here. This is a nothing slope compared to, you know, you go out to like Eminence country, right? But look at how that pushed just that little bit of slope alignment, and that fire made that run up this way. So yeah, absolutely. Could have started down here, could have, you know, wrapped around and come. There's multiple ways to skin a cat overall, but here's the one thing I will say. Lance, you recognized it was too hot and we were not being effective, so what did you do? Change tactics, right? That's the important takeaway here. It's not that we get it right the first time, it's that we recognize the evolving situation and the changing tactics, and then we say, whoa, hold up, all right, well, disengage, right? Because that's what he did. He said, hey, pull back, get out of here, let's plug back in and re-engage over here. That is the right answer.
I'll say, just noticing the initial start, I think Lance did a good job of saying, hey, slow down with the water, you know, because it's so easy when you get the water, just go to town. The guy behind you with the rake, he feels like he's got to keep up with you. And in just a couple spots here, it turned out fine because it went out, but there were some flames left behind, just because really it wasn't the guy with the rake, but the guy with the water was kind of setting the pace.
Right.
So just being mindful if you have water that you're actually got control of the throttle on the guy with the rake. So.
Yep.
You're a team. You got to work as a team.
Yeah. But Lance did a good job. Actually said, hey, let's slow down over here. And then by the time they rounded the corner, almost every flame was out along the way.
And so as you're working together as a team, like communication can go sideways too. So if you're working next to somebody, you could say, hey, I need you to slow down a little bit. Or if I'm like just cruising along, I can say, hey, you can pick it up a little bit. I got this. Go ahead and take a little more, pick it up. That's fine. You know, absolutely keep that communication going with your teammates and sideways as well as up and down.
One thing that on the water and the flapper or the rake, pretend like you guys got a rope tied between you.
Yep.
Right? So squirt, rake, and you can just sort of help with the cadence, I think. That's what I saw with the other people at the other things that did really well.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
They did good here. Everyone did good job.
Yeah. Good job. Excellent.